Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete multiple contacts on iPhone 17 Pro Max. How can you delete them? First of all, open the phone tab, or you can say the keypad or notepad, the call center, which is on like this one. Just open it in your iPhone, and once you open this, you just need to go from keypad to contacts. And inside the contacts, as you can see, this is the list of all the contacts. So what you need to do is, first of all, drag down two fingers at the same time on your iPhone. As you can see, now I'm dragging with one finger. If I drag it with two fingers, so you will see, as you can see, like the contacts are being selected. You can select the contacts like whatever list you want to select. If I keep scrolling and keep selecting, I can do it. Otherwise, you can just need to keep selecting and scrolling at the same time, and all the contacts will be automatically selected. Now once these are selected, you just need to click on any of the options. Like, let's say when I click here, as you can see, you can see all the options. Either you want to copy, share, you want to merge these cards, or you want to delete all the 47 contacts. So you just need to click on delete, and all your like selected contacts will be removed or deleted from your iPhone. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.